So, hi all. First of all, welcome to Trainer Squad. Okay, as we have already finished up our training of Salesforce QA, right? So, let's have a session today for the welcome to Salesforce QA mock interview. Okay, so here, before I'm taking a mock interview, there are so many questions on mind, right? Which questions in QA they are asking these days in 2025? There are a lot of changes. Okay, I remember that 50 years back, question levels are different. Now, these days, different types of questions they are asking in interviews. And some students say, oh, I don't have a IT background. Can I clear the interview? No need to worry. We will discuss this point also. Okay. Most of students who are coming to us are having a QA background, means they're a manual tester, they want to come. So I will also discuss how can you show in your experience, right? What are the salary package? And most important is what is my future when I join as a Salesforce tester. Okay. So this will discuss every questions, but let's start with our candidate for the mock interview, right? Deepika is with us. Okay. So let's start our interview. Okay. So first we'll take it as a proper professional interview, but I will also give the feedback, okay, in the same interview, which thing we can more improve when you go for an interview. Right. Taking an interview is not an agenda. The main agenda of this session is that you people know that when you are giving the interview, which thing you have positive with you, okay, where you will get more strength, you can make a more strength. What weaknesses you have, we need to improve that weaknesses also, okay. So my request to all of you, any you just maybe note down the questions, okay, which question I'm asking in the interview, okay, those questions will be helpful for you to clear the interview, okay, good. So let's start with interview. I have your CV already with me. Okay, good, very good. So let's start. Deepika, you are ready?
Yeah,
Good. So okay, so let's start. So hi Deepika, I'm calling from a XYZ company. Okay, so today we have scheduled an interview, right? So can we start if you free, right? Can we start?
yeah, sure, Karan.
Okay, okay, great. So little bit, let's have a brief intro. Okay, can you little bit tell me about you, little bit about
Yeah,
yourself? Mhm.
yeah, Gaurav. Good afternoon. I'm Deepika as a test engineer, having a 4+ years of experience in manual and Salesforce QA. And I started my career in Ublo working as an integration testing for an event management platform, and currently working at an educational initiative as an Salesforce QA. And it's mainly I'm in a case project. And I have a specialization in test case designing and defect tracking and ensuring the product quality. This is
Okay,
about.
good. And where have you done your education and where are you from? Just asking.
Yeah, I'm from Bangalore and done with the qualification Bachelor of Engineering in ECE background.
Okay, okay. Good. So you are having a overall how much experience you have overall?
4+.
Okay, 4+. And out of 4+, how much in the Salesforce?
2+.
2+. Good. So let's start. What I do in our flow is that we will start with the admin part first. Okay, right? And little bit go then go for the scenario, and I will go for the later on for the Salesforce QA questions. Okay, right? Because in our company we are looking for a person who is a QA but having a good in-depth knowledge of the admin part also at least. Okay, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Good. So can you tell me what are the different types of relationships we have in Salesforce?
We have 4 to 5 relationships. Let us lookup relationship, master detail relationship,
Mhm.
and hierarchical relationship.
Okay. And what is the difference between lookup and hierarchical relationship?
Lookup relationship is a loosely coupled relationship, and an hierarchical,
Mhm.
it's based on the hierarchical permission which we are giving to the profile.
Okay. No. My question was different with lookup and MD.
Lookup is a loosely coupled, and where coming to the master detail is a tightly coupled. And
Mhm.
in master detail relationship, where if we delete a parent record, even the child record will be deleted. But in lookup, it is not related to any parent-child relationship.
Any other difference?
Uh,
Okay.
any
Got
other?
it. Okay. It's fine. Okay. You say hierarchical relationship. What is a hierarchical relationship? You itself told, na?
Yeah.
Hierarchical. What is the meaning of
Uh,
hierarchical relationship?
yeah, it's
Mhm.
based on where the profile visibility can be given based on the hierarchy, and we can give a record access based on the position.
Okay. But actually, this thing can come under security, but it's fine. Now, next question. What is the roll up summary in Salesforce?
Role of
Roll up summary.
roll up summary. Okay. Um,
Yes.
where it is used
Mhm.
uh, for giving many to many relationship. No, that is
No.
no. I'm just gonna.
Okay. It's fine. Okay. And what are the different types of reports we have in Salesforce? Types of reports? Any idea?
Um,
Okay, it's fine.
I'm
But it's okay. What are the different automation tools we have in Salesforce?
uh, workbench, like flow,
Mhm. Flow is there. What else?
process builder,
Yes.
workflow, workflow process builder.
Mhm. Then we have a approval process, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's come to the security. As a QA, we already know that security is one of the important scenario. Can you tell me the difference between profiles and permission sets?
Yeah, profile we have for the user, we profile is mandatory, and
Mhm.
permission set is an upon profile. The permission additional information given is known as a permission set.
Can I create a user without permission set?
Yeah, user can be created without a permission set.
Okay. Can one profile be assigned to multiple users?
Yeah, it can be used.
Okay. Can one user have a multiple permission set?
One user having multiple permission set. Yeah.
Again, I will repeat. Yes,
Yes.
you're
Yes.
right. Can one user have multiple profiles?
No.
Can I delete the user in the Salesforce?
It can user in the Salesforce. It can be deleted, but it should be if we want, it can regained in 15 days.
Those are records. I'm talking
User
about user. Can I delete the user in a Salesforce?
no.
What are sharing rules in Salesforce? Any idea? What are sharing rules?
Sharing rules of no idea, Gaurav.
Okay, okay, okay. It's fine. It's fine. And okay. What is the OWD in Salesforce? Any idea? OWD, full form of OWD.
Yeah, organization wide default.
And why
Um,
we use it?
it to maintain an hierarchical format and give a validation security.
What do you mean by validation security? Mhm.
To prevent the access from record visibility access,
Mm.
not visibility, edit access.
No, no. I will just little bit clear.
Sorry.
Profiles and permissions. Yeah, yeah. Profiles and permission sets are at basically user level. Okay, which type of objects you are handling, which type of field. But
Gaurav, your voice is little bit down.
okay, so 1 second. Now it's clear, right?
Yeah,
More audible, correct?
yeah.
So I'm saying this. You are saying one word correct, but again you come to the two. But I'm correcting you again. This OW is at the record level security. Okay,
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Okay.
good. So you know how to create objects and fields in a Salesforce as a QA. It's very important. Sometimes you have to create a field by your own data management. You know that
Yeah.
how to create objects and fields.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. And since data management comes to data management, so which tool you are using in your project for the data management? Handling the data, upload the data, read the, you have used any tool?
Data loader.
Data loader. In data loader, what options you can operations you can do with the data loader?
We can sync the data. We need to maintain details, which details we needed, and we
No,
need to
no,
sync it.
no, no, no. My question: which operations you can insert the data, right? You
Yeah,
can delete the what are those options you can do with the data loader?
we can
Hmm.
insert and update.
Delete cannot do, huh?
Um, I've not deleted anything, so I'm not sure about that.
Okay. Okay. And what are the tools we have Salesforce for the data management? One is data loader. I'm fine. Suppose you log in into your system, data loader is not working. What can you do in that case? What are the tools? We have a,
Import wizard. We have import wizard.
but it's not exporting.
Yeah,
It's
and
only
flows. We
flows.
no flow. We have that flow
Hmm. Generally in our project we're using a workbench. Okay.
workbench. Okay.
Uh, right. Okay. Let's come to the QA part. Okay. So you are a QA. Okay. In any project, I want that. What will you do that less bug? Okay, first tell me the how you people work in a testing process, means how your project is working. Any idea? You have sandboxes. How will you do that? Any just overall picture of the project as a QA?
Yeah, as a overall QA, once the deployment is done from through the chain set from one sandbox to another sandbox, that is QA sandbox, we will start
Mhm.
with the first with the sanity check whether the build is stable for the functionality check, and go ahead with the proper functionality and integration testing.
After that,
After that, if the in the STLC cycle, if we find any bugs, we will be raising it in Jira. And once those bugs is fixed, and again we will do retesting on the bug fixes, and we will be providing a QA sign off if all the functionality is working as per the requirement.
no, I got it. QA, you said after QA, where it will go?
It will go to UAT,
Okay. And then,
user acceptance testing,
and
and
then,
it will go into a production environment.
okay. So in my company, okay, right? So many bugs are coming. So we are looking for a QA who will, means I know that you will do the testing, but what else you can do? Okay, mine. If I let me mold this question, how will you do that? There will be less bug in my org, in our Salesforce org. In process, you can say that less bug, right? Means at a production, very less bug is there, and you can reduce the time period also. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm. How will you do
For
that?
to maintain the minimal bug, we need to just go up with the requirement and check. And if it is a most priority, if the bug is there, we check with the priority, and we need to fix it as soon as possible. And to avoid this bug, we need to retest and do an regression testing.
No, no, no. This is after bug. What will you do that
Hmm.
there will be no bug? My question is, I want that there will be very less bug in my org. What will you do?
We need to do negative testing, positive testing, and
Hmm.
meet with the requirement. And if we want to
Hmm.
maintain a low bug build or low bug requirement, need to collaborate with the team member who is having a domain knowledge.
Hmm.
And we need to perform security and performance testing.
How will you do the performance testing in Salesforce? You say performance testing. In our project, we are not doing a performance testing. How are you doing the performance testing?
We will be checking how much the bulk data which will support that software.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Good. Now, what challenge you have faced as a QA, right? है ना?
Yeah.
In your project, previous project, what challenge you have faced and what how you overcome with that project? Maybe you remember anything challenging
Yeah,
part you had that.
actually, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we have, I faced multiple challenges. One of the challenges like syncing of the data, like the syncing process was slow when I synced the data from Salesforce to Marketo and connected with the team and saw that the syncing process and the profile details was not matching. So those challenges I'll be facing, and even when deployment is done, the code will be not details will be not complete.
Then what you do in that case?
In that case, I just reconnect with the developer and check all the details are synced, and we'll be resyncing it.
Okay, got it. So let's come to the test scripts, right? Means what do you think? How can we write a effective test scripts in Salesforce?
Defective test scripts,
Effective,
say
effective, not defective, effective.
uh,
Mm,
effective test scripts. Okay, we
mm,
need to just write a precondition,
mm,
bill
mm,
number preconditions, and
mm,
user steps. We need to maintain like test steps, expected and actual behavior and expected behavior. If this is covered,
mm.
then we have an effective test script
Okay. Not positive, negative scenario both, huh?
for everything, positive, negative, and
Mm,
other cases. All the cases we need to maintain steps.
okay, got it. And last but not the least question, okay, why should I hire you? Why should we hire you?
Where I will maintain a strong rapport for creating this
Mm,
testing in the Salesforce, and I have a previous knowledge in testing domain and a Salesforce as a Salesforce QA. So I'll be handling
mm.
the task. So this will be helping by hiring me.
So yeah. So anything you want to ask from me?
No.
Okay then. Okay then. Bye. Take care. Best of luck. Okay, right? And our
Yeah.
HRT will get back to you. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. It's done, right? Okay. So let's have a I note down every positive and negative for this interview.
Sure.
Okay. I'm opening a notepad.
Yeah.
You feel something, huh? A real time interview,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. After a long time, I'm giving an interview, so I'm little bit panicked.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I noted. Try to be more focused on negative points so you can improve. Good point you already have, right? Okay. I will ask you each and everything. Okay. Now let's come to your introduction part first.
Yeah.
Make good point always in your introduction. Never say bad point, good point, right?
Yeah.
For example, by education, I'm an engineer. Engineer is always a good qualification, right?
Yeah.
Correct. If you are a simple graduate or a BCom engineer, correct?
Mm.
You were missing that point.
Okay.
Always tell your education. No harm if you're studying a percentage of marks. It's also fine. No worries. Good thing is always good. So let give the introduction very niche and clear, and within 2 minutes, your introduction will be over. Okay,
Mm.
let me give you. Let if I'm a Deepika, right? Or let me go for the 4 year of experience tester. How will you do the introduction? Hi, my name is Gaurav. Uh, by qualification, I'm an engineer from NIT Kurukshetra. See, I have done my engineering from NIT, good institute, right? Okay, so I present there. Okay, at the beginning, repo is there. Okay, hi,
Mm.
I'm Gaurav. Don't need to tell about 10th plus two. It's not mandatory. Not
Okay.
even no need to tell about hometown. It's up to you. If you want to tell your hometown, it's fine, right? Okay. Hi, my name is Gaurav. Currently based is fine if you want to say. I am Gaurav, currently based in Bangalore. By
Mm.
qualification, I'm an engineer from NIT Kurukshetra. I'm having a total 4+ year of experience in Salesforce. Okay, and currently I'm working as a QA tester
Mm.
in this company from last 2 years. I think that is more than enough. No need to explain yourself and you do this, do this. No, no, no. Okay, simple. At an introduction, I just want to know crisp things. You are an engineer, clear, right? I'm a
Yeah.
tester, 4 years, clear. From 2 years, I'm working in this company, is clear. Okay, this type of simple, neat, clean, and crisp. Moreover, you can say that uh, I'm engineer and as a QA, I'm also handling some admin part of the company. That's it.
Okay.
I'm not. Introduction is just a 2 minutes, even in an email, right? But
Mm.
subject line is there, na subject line. Think that's a subject line.
Okay.
Okay, then admin part, right? In admin part, we don't need to tell anything extra from ourselves. For example, if I have asked a question relationships, okay?
Mm.
We have given you 200 interview questions, I think 80 interview questions. If you do that interview questions, all the answers were there. But overall, your interview was good, okay? Not so bad with 2+ year of experience in Salesforce, okay? See, come on, mug up this question. Mug up means रट्टा लगा लो हिंदी में, okay?
Mm.
I know that this question they will ask. I know that if the ball is coming to me, okay, what will you do with that ball? Full toss ball. You will do 4 or 6. What will you do? Hmm, cricket. I will make a 6. But in my case, Gore will make a out of ground. What I'm trying to say that if I'm saying that this question will they will ask me, then why only this answer?
Mm.
We should have all this answer in our bucket. These are the important interview questions which we have given to you. Okay, answer was right. I'm satisfied. It's a good answer. Loosely coupled, light covered, but try to be covered more in details.
Yeah.
If we don't know what is a hierarchical, right, no need to do that. Best answer was yes, there are so many relationships in this, but the two major relationships are lookup and MD. And if you don't ask the if you don't ask the difference, start by yourself. Show your knowledge, whatever you know. If he asks me, okay, question, I'm telling you, what is a what are the different types of relationship in Salesforce? I will start. Yeah, there are so many relationships in the Salesforce, but there are two relationships. One is lookup and second is empty. One student give that answer. Now Gaurav go. Yes, there are two relationships in Salesforce. One is lookup, second is MD. Now the main difference between them is lookup is loosely coupled, MD is strongly coupled. Lookup have a 40 objects you can do. Here, master you can do two objects. Which question is answer is better? Gaurav one. Which question you know na? You need to explain him at least 4 to 5 minutes. Show your knowledge. Show your knowledge to the interviewer. Guys, you got it?
Yeah.
आदिल समझ रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? आदिल अमीर मनीष.
यस सर।
ये चीजें मेरे को फेलियर से आई हैं, पता है. ये इंटरव्यू देना भी एक आर्ट है आपका, आपको बताऊं. इट्स एन आर्ट हाउ टू गिव द इंटरव्यू. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, प्रोफाइल परमिशन सेट्स आर वेरी गुड आंसर. आई वाज टोटली satisfied with that. But again I'm saying, guys, again I'm saying you, if your data security is not strong, must be strong. Especially data security must be very, very strong. We are very much clear. What are your answer was right? Okay, profiles. I'm satisfied with that answers, but still I'm telling you all profiles, permission sets, roles, sharing rule, OWD. Yeah, fourth, data management. You should know data loader and other stuff. Okay, this type of things you should be very good. Data management, you should be very much. मैं तो एक क्वेरी लिखा था, क्वेरी निकल गया मेरे दिमाग से. एसक्यूएल क्वेरी, सोक्यूएल क्वेरी, एसक्यूएल, बट ओके फाइन. डेटा मैनेजमेंट, ओके. Reports, that was a very simple question. Types of reports, you should know that. Okay, reports. Then we have a UI customization. So this was the part. See, when the moment I talked to Deepika, right, that was a different Deepika. Okay, very little bit less knowledge. The moment I entered to her domain QA, Salesforce QA, she was very confident. She was able to give the answers very correctly, very confidently. Okay, I have asked her different questions. How will you reduce the bug? She gave the answer. Okay, इसका best answer क्या है ना? If they, your answer were QA question answer very good. Okay, which I ask. थोड़ा सा add on करते हैं इसको, थोड़ा सा add on करते हैं, right? कभी ना ऐसे different tools का नाम नहीं लेना. You have answered them Marketo.
Yeah.
Right? If I ask two questions on Marketo, you are not able to give the answer. I know that.
Okay.
Don't use Marketo. Performance testing. You ask the performance testing. I catch you there na, performance testing. Don't use this type of words, heavy words. Performance testing, Marketo. No. Make simple life. More you use simple word, simple interview will go. Simple words. Okay. How means reduce bug question they will ask. You say, in my project, what I have done, I will not wait for the code will move from QA to developer. This is the thing, right? Developer to QA, QA to UAT, UAT to production. Okay. So why you wait for till here? So as a QA, what I have done sometimes, I will again go to development org and check there that there's no bug. If bug is there, then it will resolve there with the help of developer. That was I was just waiting for your answer. Okay, it's okay, fine, but you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And you can use this type of podcast sometime when I love to like admin. I love sometime when I stuck. I Udemy, YouTube. Make us some story. I was there was some testing come to me to do the test on flow. I don't know about too much flow. Then I sometimes I go to the YouTube and I have a Udemy account study there. I love to study sometimes. See how much good impression. I am 50% interested in your 50% interested in your knowledge, 50% interested in your attitude. You have a learning attitude or not?
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
that is the thing. Now, why Deepika is different in Salesforce QA? Answer was very out of 180 was perfect. Here, only 40%. What is the difference? Should I tell you the difference? Only difference is this difference. How knowledge will come? Study. Okay. So what I'm trying to say that we need to study as much as we can. Okay, to gain the knowledge. Okay. The overall 2+ interview is. I'm not saying passing. I will not pass because it's a first interview. But end of the day, it's not a blank. You do some effort. This is that's why trainer squad is always our students. Okay, right? We need to improve. Doesn't matter first interview failed, second interview failed, doesn't make sense. Okay, you need to learn everything from the interview. And one day you just message me, sir, I got a call, I got an interview. Cleared. My mobile is full with this type of messages. Okay, right? Okay. So interview question we have already shared with you. Please go through that interview. Next week again, I will take a one mock interview session. Okay, right? Okay.
Yep.
Okay then. Okay, gotta stop the recording. It's done. Session is done. Gaurav is not there.
Sir, in every
1 second.
interview,
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second. Let's. Yeah, I got it. Just I will talk to you. Hold on 1 second. Okay.